Yeah, hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to our BCCA YouTube channel. I am Rajesh, your OM and SM faculty. So this video is all about OM and SM day before Rappa preparation strategy. Okay, so before going to discuss about the strategy and what are the important concepts and what are the important questions, I would like to discuss about question paper pattern, sir. Okay, so just we shall try to know about how question paper will be. So for OMSM question paper, so how it will be, so that is I will explain in 1 or 2 minutes, sir. So in OM and SM question paper also we have 8 questions. Question number 1 is completely MCQ part. Okay, so question number 1, 15 MCQs will be there, sir. Out of these 15 MCQs, 9 MCQs will be from OM part and 6 MCQs will be from SM part. Okay, so for these MCQs, I have prepared MCQ material and which I have already shared or updated in our BCCA Telegram channel, sir. If you want MCQ PDF material means go to BCCA Telegram channel. Okay, so in that I have already updated our MCQ material. Download that. So in that MCQ material, so we have given nearly 25 MCQs are there, sir. So just go through those 250 MCQs. Those 250 MCQs are more than enough. Okay. So after reading that MCQs, if you have time means, okay, you don't have, so you won't be having that much time. Okay. First of all, give priority to those 250 MCQs. Then coming to question number 2 to 8. Question number 2, 3, 4, 5 will be from OM part. 6, 7, 8 from SM part. Okay, so in question 2, 3, 4, 5 OM part, so nearly 3 7 mark questions are theory questions and nearly 5 7 mark questions are problematic parts. Okay, let us try to decode. So how to prepare for these 3 theoretical questions. Okay, if you are good at a theoretical part means okay, so in OM part we have problematic and theoretical part. For theoretical part, read question number 3 and chapter number 1 and chapter number 3 completely. Okay, so there are high probability, with some high probability there are chances that question 2 7 mark questions will come from these 2 chapters, chapter number 1 and chapter number 3. Okay, so after chapter number 1 and 3, in chapter number 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, in each problematic chapter also we have some theoretical concepts. So nearly 3, 4, 5, something like that. From each chapter, some theoretical questions are there. So prepare those theoretical questions. Okay, so coming to the problematic part. So that problematic questions, question number 3, part B. So problematic question which is being asked from chapter number 2. That means in chapter number 2 we have a regression. So that means demand forecasting. In chapter number 2 we have demand forecasting, capacity planning and facility layout and EOQ problems. Okay, so for each concept just practice one problem. All other questions just refer. Okay, so in this chapter we have some theoretical questions in layout and facility location, resource aggregate planning, MRP1, MRP2. Okay, so questions relating to these concepts, just go through that questions, sir. And coming to chapter number 3, so complete theoretical part, as we all know. Okay, so coming to question number 4 here. So question number 4 completely problematic question. 2 7 mark questions problems will be there in question number 4. These 2 problematic questions definitely will come from chapter number 4, sir. In chapter number 4 we have LPP transportation assignment. See, chapter number 4 LPP transportation assignment, simulation, queuing models and line balancing. So coming to the LPP linear program planning, you don't need to practice all the questions. Just pick one question for LP model, primal writing, and one question for dual. Okay, so just practice 2 questions and all other questions just try to highlight the key points and refer those the key points. That's it, enough. Coming to the transportation, okay, so northwest corner method, least cost method and Vogel's approximation method. Some basic questions are there, prepare those questions. Coming to assignment, just maximization, minimization. So if you have time means traveling salesman problem. Okay, one question, just conceptually learn one question, all other questions just refer. Simulation also, conceptually learn one question, all other questions refer. Okay, so in this simulation we have multiple types of questions, doctor patient problem, petrol bunk problem, and so production estimation and library kind of problems, demand sales and demand estimation problems are there. Okay, so all the so just conceptually learn one problem, other problem just refer, that's enough. Coming to the queuing models, in queuing models so there are nearly 10 to 12 formulas will be there, sir. So all the just learn all the formulas, and in problem, coming to the problems in queuing models, there are nearly 6 to 7 problems are there. Okay, pick 2 problems which covers maximum all the formulas. Okay, just practice those problems, and all other questions just refer. Line balancing, we have just 3 problems only. All the 3 problems you have to learn, sir. Okay, so next, here see question number 3 theory, question number 2 3 theoretical questions, 3 part B, chapter number 2, part 4. Okay, chapter number 4, question number 4, chapter number 4. Okay, so for question number 5 you have to learn chapter number 6 and 7, sir. Okay, so in chapter number 6 and 7, so there are chances that maybe from chapter number 5 also question may come. So for chapter number 5, learn productivity ratios and standards fixing these concepts. For each concept just practice one problem. And coming to the theoretical questions, we have total quality management, ISO standards, and productivity related questions. And so coming to the chapter number 6, in chapter number 6 we have a network diagram drawing, a float, total float, free float, independent float calculations, and program evaluation review technique. For all the questions, try to practice the network diagram drawing. And so float calculation, for float calculation you have to learn forward pass, backward pass, and time estimates calculation. So EST, EFT, LST, LFT, all the concepts. And program evaluation review technique, just practice one problem for part. Okay, if you don't know which all the problems you have to practice, which all the problems you have to refer, if you don't know that means I have already given so for 50 questions. Okay, so that so for 50 questions, just try to practice those questions conceptually, or other questions just refer, sir. Okay, so in chapter number 6 we have 2 theory questions, PERT, CPM differences, project life cycle. And coming to chapter number 7, asset replacement, one of the important concept, illustration 8, which has been asked for I think 3 attempts. In last 10 attempts, 3 times this asset replacement question has been asked, sir. MTBF and TTR, so mean time between failure, mean time to repair. So one question only there, illustration 11. And for and for preventive maintenance and breakdown maintenance, we have 2 questions, illustration 2 and 7. Just learn those questions conceptually. So theoretical part, types of stores, 1 question is there, and maintenance rules, and routine maintenance, preventive maintenance, breakdown maintenance. Okay, these are the theoretical questions from chapter number 7. Okay, so this is all about OM, sir. So coming to the SM part, strategic management. Okay, you don't need to mug up or by heart all the concepts from SM, sir. Okay, so just I'm giving you some questions, important questions which I have compiled or prepared from past MTPs and past attempt question papers, sir. Okay, here we have December 24 MQP set number 1. So nearly 6 questions are there. In set 2 we have 6 questions. In June 24 MTP we have 6 questions. In December 23 attempt MTP we have 6 questions. And set 1, this one is set 1, this one is December 23 attempt MTP, set 2. Okay, so 5 MTPs, 5, 6, 30 questions. Okay, so then past June 24 attempt, past attempt paper, and June 23 attempt, past attempt paper. So nearly 42 questions are there, sir. Okay, some repeated questions also may be there. Nearly 40 questions. Just give priority to these 40 questions. Okay, just check whether you have covered these questions or these concepts or not. Give priority to these questions. So prepare these questions, sir. Then go for, if you have time, then go for other questions. Give priority to these questions. This feed PDF I'll be sharing in our Telegram channel. Okay, go to BCCA Telegram channel. You can find there. You can find this PDF. Okay. Okay, these are the questions. So for SM, I'm giving you 40 questions. 40 questions, important questions. And for OM, so I have given some important concepts. So for the concepts, prepare one question for each concept. So learn the problems for each concept. One question is enough conceptually. Okay, all other questions just refer. Okay, so while reading theory also, I would say like, don't mug up the theory, sir. Don't by heart or mug up the theory. I would say like, just read the definition, try to learn the definition. Okay, so, and also learn some side headings. Okay, definition, side headings. Just try to remember that part. So, for the side heading, for each side heading, you have to write some content. No, that content, for that content. So read the concept, just give a paper reading for all the concepts or all the questions, sir. Okay, so you will understand something. Based on that understanding, okay, write the content on your own wordings. Okay, so try to understand something. So give, so I would say like for SM or OM theory part, okay, definition and side headings, learn that part. So for, so remaining part, for remaining part for content and everything, just give a paper reading for all the concepts. So you will understand something. So from that understanding, write on your own wordings for every question. So let's say one question maybe something like objectives of operations management. So for that, write OM definition. What is OM and everything. Then objectives of operations management, primary objective, secondary objective. Primary objective, so customer satisfaction or customer service. Secondary objective is resource utilization. Give these two side headings, and then for these two side headings, just read the content. So from that content, so you will understand something. So based on your understanding, write something in your own wording, sir. That's enough. Okay, that is enough. For theoretical part, just give a paper reading and write on your own wordings. That's it. Okay, so I have I'm giving you some 40 questions for SM part, and for OM part I'm giving you, so what are the important concepts. For each concept, prepare one conceptual problem. That's it. That is enough. So from BCCA and our faculty team, I'm saying all the best. Just rock the exam. Okay, so thank you, all the best, guys.